and kind of walk through what we had to do. So here we go. We got the bars on and the mirrors. They look pretty good. Right. Welcome back, guys. Quick video today, nothing super serious. Today we're going to be swapping out those little tiny mirrors that we did when we installed the handlebars. I got this set of Kemimoto Bar End Mirrors. I was gonna get the Rizomas, and you know, they're about $100 a piece, kind of expensive. So I saw a bunch of guys on YouTube that were using these Kemimoto mirrors. They said they were pretty good. I took a shot out on ordering them, and you know what? They look pretty good. I am super excited to give these things a shot. So let's go ahead and put them on and see how they work. Okay, so I went ahead and took off the old bar end mirrors. Pretty straightforward. You got them on. If you had old bar ends and you got them on, taking them off is pretty straightforward. If you didn't have bar ends before, just take off your bar end caps. And then there are two sleeves that come with this. One is for 13 millimeter to about 17 millimeter, and then they have a larger sleeve which can go over this, and if your inner diameter of your bar is a little bit more. But this is pretty straightforward. It's really just a matter of inserting it and tightening it up. And all you're gonna need is a 5 millimeter Allen to actually get it tightened up. So we'll just go ahead and do that now. If I can hang on to it. And don't forget, you got to put your mirrors on first, otherwise you're gonna have some issues. So we'll tighten up this bar end cap, and you want to also make sure you got plenty of space in between your throttle, because you don't want this messing with your throttle. So I kind of like that position right there. So we'll go ahead and tighten these down, see how it looks. All right. That looks pretty good. I think that'll do. Not too far in the way. And position looks really good. Okay, well, we'll adjust them later, but so far so good. Okay, so now we'll do clutch side. Pretty much the same thing. Took the old bar end mirror off. Just insert it and tighten it up. And that's it, we're done. And then, you know, you'll have to adjust the mirror position and all of that. These are a little stiff, the mirrors, like on the ball joint once you get them, but I think if you just kind of work them around a little bit, they'll loosen up. Yeah, they will loosen up. They're just stiff from the factory. But yeah, so far so good. I kind of like them. So here's a quick different perspective for you guys. I'm basically holding the camera right up to my chin, so this is what my perspective is with these on. I like them. They don't get in the way. You know, I mean, I'm never really lifting my hand up forward. I'm just pulling straight back. You know, I don't see how these would get in the way at all. Same thing with clutch side. Yeah, it hits a little. But the clutch hits a little, but it's actually not that bad because I'm already almost to hand grip anyway, so that should be fine. Of course, we'll have to test it out on a ride. Might have to adjust it a little bit because I definitely don't want anything marring. Oh, it looks like actually there's a screw that's hitting. We might have to file that off. But, you know, for 29 bucks, I think these things are pretty good. So that about wraps it up for today, guys. Kemimoto mirrors, are they great? We'll see. Are they okay? Yeah, they're definitely okay. Would I buy them again? Yeah, I'd probably buy them again because the price is there, the glass quality is great, and honestly, it took 5 freaking minutes to install it. So we'll see, I'll report back, but until then, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit like if you like this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. I'll see you later. Ride safe. Bye-bye.